Take a slow, steady breath in and release it gently. Again, inhale deeply and exhale fully. Allow your body to relax. Allow your tension to dissolve. Allow your awareness to move gently into the body. Vitality is restored through balance, breath, and presence. In a moment, I will count down from 10 to 1. With each number, you will enter a deeply restorative state where energy renews, systems rebalance, and the body remembers how to thrive. Let's begin. 10. Breathing slows. 9. Muscles soften. 8. The body feels heavier and supported. 7. Tension melts away. 6. Awareness turns inward. 5. Deeply relaxed. 4. The body feels safe. 3. The nervous system settles. 2. Energy begins to circulate. 1. You enter deep bodily awareness. In this relaxed state, bring awareness gently to your body. Notice sensations without judgment. Warmth, heaviness, softness. Your body welcomes attention. Presence supports healing. Repeat inwardly. I listen to my body. I am present within myself. Relaxation restores balance. Now notice your breath. Each inhale brings fresh energy. Each exhale releases fatigue. Energy flows through you, not forced, not strained. Your breath nourishes every system. Repeat softly. Breath renews me. Energy flows freely. Vitality awakens within me. Now imagine energy moving gently through your body, flowing through muscles, organs, and joints. Circulation improves. Tissues receive nourishment. Cells awaken. Your body remembers its natural rhythm. Repeat inwardly. energy circulates freely. My body renews itself. Vitality supports every cell. Now sense strength forming, not tension, not effort, a steady, supportive strength. Your muscles feel alive. Your posture aligns naturally. You feel capable and grounded. Repeat slowly. My body is strong and balanced. Strength feels natural to me. I move with ease. Now allow a deep sense of rest. Your nervous system settles. Recovery deepens. Rest restores energy, and balance returns. Your body integrates renewal. Repeat gently. Rest restores vitality. My body recovers fully. Balance returns naturally. Now imagine moving through your day, walking with ease, breathing fully, feeling present and alive. Vitality becomes your baseline, steady, reliable, sustainable. Repeat inwardly. Vitality supports my life. Energy flows throughout my body. I feel alive and capable. Allow these truths to settle deeply. My body knows how to renew itself. Vitality flows naturally within me. I support my body with awareness and care. These sensations become familiar, stable, restorative. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 10. With each number, you will return gently, restored, energized, and embodied. 1. Awareness begins to rise. 2. Breath deepens. 3. Gentle energy returns. 4. The body feels present. 5. balanced and refreshed. 6. Awareness expands outward. 7. You feel grounded and alive. 8. Eyes feel lighter. 9. Take a deep breath in and out. 10. Eyes open, fully awake, energized, balanced, carrying physical vitality into your day.